Welcome to our YouTube channel again. This is Ethan Kose from Kose Trading, and today we have I think this is the smallest speaker from Bang Olufsen. It's the Beoplay P2. It's look like this. It's very small. It's designed by Cecilia Mans and is released in 2017. And the materials, there's four different materials in this Beoplay P2. Is aluminium, leather, and also a rubber. The leather is this hanging, where you can hang the P2, and also we have the aluminium front grille and some polymer, and also a rubber at the back. It feels very nice. It's powerful speaker, and the weight is only 275 grams. The battery lifetime can play up to 10 hours. That's very nice. It has two speakers, one tweeter and one woofer. This has 2 times 50 watt Class D amplifier, both for the bass and for triple units. And the sound direction is actually 260 degrees, as you can put on the table, and the sound will come through the speaker. And you can actually customize the sound through the Bang Olufsen app also. So today we're gonna deassemble it. We're gonna take a look what is inside the Beoplay P2. I know there's also a woofer and amplifier, and also we'll talk a little about the woofer and the other units. So we're gonna deassemble it and see what is inside the P2. So stay tuned. So first step is I've done some research. We need to remove the front grille. I think we can take a flat screwdriver. See if we can get it underneath here. Here we go. Oh, just be careful not to damage it, but I think we need to have a smaller, maybe we need to have one here. And maybe one here. No. Okay, the grills. Here we go. We have finally removed the front grille. I think we can just pull it out. So here's the grill. And here we have the woofer and the tweeter unit. So at this case, we need to do some safety first. Take the anti-static band on, and I'm gonna speed up the process. I'm gonna remove the screws around the Beoplay P2 and see what's inside the speaker. Also, this video will be a little bit short, but sometimes we do long videos and sometimes we do long videos. It's depending on the product we do. So let's do that. So the final screw is out, and it's also actually my first time deassembling a Beoplay P2. So let's try to remove. Can we just take it up? No. Let's see what we can do. No. I think there's some hinges here we need to. Here we go. Just not try to damage it too much. This Beoplay is actually fully working, but today it's gonna be deassembled. So yes, as you can see, there's some electronics we need to remove first. So let's try to remove the cables here. And the cables is from the battery, and also I think there's one Bluetooth connector here. Here we go. And this has a serial number, start from a 28, it's very high serial number, and the type number is 2804. And this is has been produced in I think this has been produced in China also, but it's designed in Struer in Denmark, Bang Olufsen. So let's put this aside and concentrate on the driver units. So we're gonna remove the driver units. So I'm gonna speed up the process again, remove the screws, and let's see what the drivers is. And the last screw is out, and we can take the bass units off. And here is the bass unit. And this is actually the pairless driver. It's not even Bang Olufsen. But yeah, the design is Bang Olufsen, and the construction and all the electronics. So we're gonna put this one aside. Next step is removing the tweeter. So we're gonna do that. And here we go. Here is the other unit. And I think this also, I don't know where the speaker's from, but yeah, there's no manufacturing or in labels. I don't know. I think we can find it on in Google if we search on this number, but we're gonna put this aside. So I think there's only one part left. It's a PCB part here, and I don't know what it is for, but it has there's something on touch IO board. I think there's some touch feedback, but I don't know what it is. But I think we're gonna leave it there because I can't check it out. So yeah, this part we're gonna sell like this. So let's bring up the other part. Here's the battery compartment, and we also have the amplifier board and power supply board and ones. And we also have the USB-C charging port. So let's remove that. Here we go. I think we just can remove it like this. And the charging port is going through here. And let's remove. Let's try to see if we can. This needs to be lift up. Here we go. And let's try to remove the battery also. And the battery can be also changeable. You can buy, I think, off-brand battery in the web. So you can, if your battery is dead, you can definitely order a new one. And here we go. And here is the battery. Is 1100 milliamp hours, and it's also from China, but it's fully functional. We're gonna put this one aside. So next step will be removing the main board. Let's try. Oh, this is the USB-C cable, port cable. I'm gonna put it here. And let's try to remove the screws and pull the main board out. And the last screw is out, and let's see if we can pull it out. Here we go. And this is actually the main board, and the P2 has only one button, and this is the button at the back where you can actually turn it on, off, and go into the pairing mode. And let's remove the cables. No, this one, I'm thinking, let's remove the cables from here, and this one, and I think this is the antenna for the Bluetooth and for the connectivity. So yeah, this was a very fast deassembling process. Let's bring all the parts at the table. We have fully deassembled the Beoplay P2, and let's talk about the parts a little bit. And yes, here is the USB-C port input for charging up the battery, and here is the battery with the 1100 milliamp hours. We have some screws, and we have the front grille, and we also have this back chassis with the strap. I think we can just remove the strap also. Let's try that. Remove the aluminium, and it's actually made of a leather. So here we go, and this will also be available in our website. So all the parts here you can see is free to buy until we have it out of stock, but we will definitely, if you're gonna request for parts, we can definitely get it for you. So we're gonna put it back again like this. Here we go. I think it's like this one. So we also have the main board with the amplifier and also the connectivity port. It'll look like this. And we have the woofer from Peerless. And we have the Twitter unit. We have the cables. And we have the front chassis with, I don't know what it is, but it's saying touch IO. I think there's some touch feedback or something like that. But yes, this was a full deassembling process for Beoplay P2. All the parts will be for sale in our website. And also, if you have any part requests for other products Bang Olufsen has made, you are more welcome to reach out to us, and we will definitely try to help you to find it. Also, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel, and yeah, have fun and take care. Have a nice day.